8 ways your iPhone is leaking your data and how to stop it. Hey everyone, did you know that your iPhone could be leaking your data hundreds of times a day? Crazy, right? But don't worry, I'm here to help you to lock it down. In this video, I'll show you 8 simple steps to secure your iPhone and protect your privacy. So make sure to stick around till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. So let's start with location service. To do that, simply go to the settings. Once you are there, simply tap on privacy and security. And in this section, simply tap on the location service. Some apps like Maps need your location, but most of the apps don't need it. So scroll through the list and set unnecessary apps like Instagram or Messages to never, and also tap System Service at the bottom and turn off anything non-essential like location-based suggestions, but keep Find My Phone and emergency calls on. And finally, clear your significant location history because your iPhone doesn't need to keep track of all the places you visit. Now next, disable app tracking. Go to the privacy and security and tap on tracking and simply turn it off. This stops app from sharing your behavior across the platforms. Apps like Reddit or Spotify don't need to know what you are doing in other apps. So keep this off for more privacy. And now, if you don't use fitness tracking, go to the motion and fitness to simply turn it off. And this will stop your iPhone from monitoring your steps, runs, and climbs unless you specifically need it for the fitness app. And by the way, did you know that Apple collects data by default, but you can stop it? To do that, you simply need to head to Analytics and Improvement. And from here, you simply need to turn off everything like iPhone Analytics and share with developers, because you don't need to share this data, and keeping it private is much safer. And now let's talk about ads. Apple uses your activity to target ads, but you can stop this. To do that, simply go to the Apple advertising and simply turn off the personalized ads. And this will prevent your behavior from being sold to the third-party apps. And now, if you want to see which apps are accessing your data, you simply need to check the app privacy report. This shows which app use your location, camera or mic, and even which third-party servers they contact. And with this, you can use this info to fine-tune app permissions. Now next, Safari. Go to your settings, and once you are there, simply tap on apps. And from here, scroll down until you find the Safari and simply tap on it. And here you can turn on prevent cross-site tracking and hide app address from trackers. And this will stop websites from following you around the web and keep your browsing more secure. And finally, lock down Airdrop. To do that, simply go to the settings, and from there simply tap on General, and in the General section you can see the option Airdrop. Simply tap on it and set it to contacts only or receiving off, and this will prevent strangers from accessing your device through the Airdrop. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you have taken 8 steps to secure your iPhone and protect your data. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more privacy tips and share it with your friends. Got any question? Drop them in the comments below and I would love to help you guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.